Our practice, I think, is very unique just because, one, it's history. We started with my father, and number two, we have all been very conscious of what we can do, how we take care of our patients, what type of results we get, and providing really the best quality of care possible. And I think that's what sets us apart, because that's our number one.
I just feel like he's very professional, very courteous, kind, explains everything, and he can be trusted to, get the job done.
I just feel so much more confident. They've really helped me get the smile that I really wanted. And I knew it was there, they helped me kind of get to that goal that I had.
It has been really great since my daughter finished her residency program. It's really neat that we work off of each other very nicely, and it's fun working together with her.
I have patients leave here feeling better about themselves, about their health, about their smile, and about their function, their health, that they're able to eat better, chew better, talk better, smile better. And so I do everything I can to help make that happen.
From day one, I felt like I was at the right place. I call her the maestro of good customer service.
Dr. Randall's very pleasant and starts with expertise and understanding where I'm coming from and understanding what the problem is and how to fix it, and really just explained and laid it out very simply what would be involved, how long the recovery would be, and then what I should expect. And so all of that really just gave me comfort, that she was the right doctor for me.
I can't believe that's me, and this is what I have now, because this is horrible. Like, that's what I lived with for a long time, and constantly like this. And now I smile. I'm a new person. I don't even remember that.
Our main form of entertainment is going out to dinner with our family. And how's that fun if we can't eat whatever we want to eat? So we need our teeth. We need to smile at our grandchildren, and we need to be able to go to dinner with them and enjoy what we're doing. And to me, when I can give that to somebody, it's very exciting.